local Home Depot here, and you might recall a few weeks ago we put up a video showing this display here of these DeWalt rapid open folding workbenches here. And it looks like Home Depot must have seen our video, I think, because they finally lowered the price here to $69.99. So you might remember we pointed out that they had put the whole display up here, making it look like it was on sale, and the price they had here was $99, and then it said $99 value, and I'm thinking, well, that's not a deal, that's not a discount. Are they scamming us? Okay, so this is a strange one on me, folks. So here we are, we're looking at DeWalt here. They got this DeWalt, yeah, this is a rapid open folding workbench here. And that's how it, comes like this. You carry it, and then you fold it open and you stand it up. The interesting thing about this one that's got me kind of laughing here is when I look at the price on it, it says it's $99 there for the workbench. And when I first looked at it, I go, hey, you know what? That doesn't really seem like a very good price to me. And I'm thinking to myself, well, what is it normally then? If this is supposed to be like a special or something, right? So I look over here, and then it says right there, $99 value for $99. And that's kind of funny because, usually here at Home Depot, when you're seeing something that's on special here, let me show you right next door here at this Milwaukee here. They've got this one here. It says buy this $199 and a $267 value. So at least you're saving about $70 here, right? And like here's another set they have here that says, okay, $299, okay, for this charger set here, and its value is $387 right there. Okay. So that's that M18 charger with the 2 batteries that they've got here. One of these is the 5 amp hour, the other one is the 9 amp hour battery. So when I come back over here and I look at this thing, and I'm like, what the heck? How is this a deal? I don't see any bargain here on here whatsoever. I see nothing. So your guess is as good as mine on this one, folks. So I'm looking around here. Same thing on the other side. They didn't change the sign or anything on this one. So who knows? So this time here, it looks like they finally got around to doing something about it and corrected it. So that's the actual price. And the few times in the past that we've seen this one go on sale, this was typically the price that we see it drop down to here. $69, and they're even saying now it's a new lower price. So I don't know if this is a one-time sales price or if that's just going to be the new price going forward on this. So anyway, if you guys want to get one of these, you better head down there before some other mistake happens and maybe they change it back up. Who knows? But the few people I've talked to that own one of these, they swear by them. They're very rock solid here. And pretty much in 3 seconds they open right up like that. 1, 2, 3. It's that simple. And they'll hold 1,000 pounds, 1,000-pound capacity there. And they do have a lifetime warranty on these as well. So they've sold one of these in the last week, because I know there was 4 of these in here before. So I don't know if this is like a one-shot deal. When these sell out, that's going to be it or not, because I don't always see these in here. They do normally have the miter stands. See, like here's one of the miter stands here. This is the rolling one here. So this is their rolling miter saw stand that goes for $199, and it's got a lower price on it too. So apparently these were $249 before, so these are $199 now. So might be a good time for you to come down and score one of these if you needed it. So here's sort of what they look like there. And of course they also have the other miter saw stand here. This is the one that extends out here. And this one here is the same price here, $199. So it says it used to be $249. So there's their diagram they have there, showing how it spreads out to hold the crown molding or the baseboard. So anyway, I hope this helps you out, and if you found this video useful, hey, please smash that like button down below there, give us a thumbs up, and click on the subscribe button down below as well, and hit that bell icon as soon as you do. That way you'll be alerted to every time we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.